Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the device and signing in with admin credentials. This unlocks enrollment controls. Once signed in, locate the device ID and enter the enrollment token or scan the QR code so the system recognizes this unit. Make sure the sensor is clean and the room has consistent lighting. You want repeatable scans. While you connect to the network, keep the device plugged in to avoid interruptions. These actions prevent common enrollment failures and let you proceed to the capture step smoothly. You now follow the device prompts to choose the biometric type and start captures. Select fingerprint, face, or voice depending on policy. For fingerprints, place different angles and pressures across 3 to 5 scans. For face, maintain a neutral expression and slowly turn head for multiple angles. For voice, speak the passphrase clearly 3 times. After each set, check the quality score and re-record any template under the quality threshold, so the matcher will perform reliably in daily use. You finish by assigning the saved templates to the user profile and configuring the matching threshold and fallback method like PIN or badge. Once done, run 2 to 3 real-world authentication tests, vary lighting and finger placement to confirm reliable matches. If any test fails, first clean the sensor and reboot the device, then rescan the templates. If problems persist, verify network connectivity and review server logs for enrollment errors. This sequence ensures complete enrollment and a clear path for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.